Here is a video tutorial demonstrating how to create an MSSQL database in Plesk. Log in to your Plesk control panel with your username and password. Once you log in, go to the Databases tab or click on the Databases icon. To create a new MSSQL database, click the Add Database button. Enter a unique name for your MSSQL database. If you have multiple database servers configured in Plesk, select the appropriate server from the list. Create a username and password for the database. Then click OK to complete the process. The database will now be created.